Welcome back. In one of its advanced operations, Zapier has an SMS system. If you type in SMS, you should find SMS by Zapier. You're going to select it and then scroll all the way to the bottom so that you can see the app details. So the SMS system is a little different in that there are always going to be actions. So in other words, the app will always be the trigger and the SMS will always be the action. And Zapier is actually creating the SMS text for you. So to illustrate what kind of automations you can build, we're going to take a look at the Calendar app. And you'll see that Zapier will allow us two kinds of operations. One, we can get an SMS alert for any approaching Google Calendar event. We can also get an SMS alert for new Google Calendar events. We are going to work with the new calendar events, so we're going to click Use this Zap. When we come to the explanation page, we're going to click Create this Zap. Now the trigger is going to be something that happens on your Google Calendar. So now we're going to click Continue. We're going to test our connection. Once we verify it has been successful, we're going to click Save and Continue. So we're going to choose a calendar, and we will choose the video production calendar, and then click Continue. Once we verified that we have one event created and that it matches the trigger options, we're then going to click Fetch and Continue. Our test is then successful, so now we're going to click Continue. So every event is going to trigger an SMS to a number. So now we're going to click Continue. And we're going to connect an SMS by Zapier account. We need to tell Zapier the SMS number that we need to put in. And if we like, we can put in a confirmation number also. And we're also going to send an SMS PIN. Now when you submit, you will get a confirmation code. And you'll enter that confirmation code where it says Confirm PIN. And then you'll click Yes, Continue. Now once you've gone through that stage, you will then click the Test button. And then once the success test has been verified, you'll then click Save and Continue. Zapier will then show you what your text message will look like. You'll then click Continue. We'll then send the test by SMS to Zapier. And then we'll click Finish. And then we should have received our text message from Zapier. So that means then that your system is now set up so that every time there is a new event on your Google Calendar, you will then be sent a text message through Zapier. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.